start every sentence with "I think"? Let's fix that. Today you'll learn 20 natural, smart and expressive alternatives to say what you think without always saying "I think."
We'll show you real-life examples with different tones, from casual to polite to persuasive.
In all honesty, I didn't enjoy the movie.
Really? I actually liked it a lot. In my view, we should wait before making a decision.
That's a reasonable suggestion. If you ask me, that restaurant's way overrated.
I thought the same. As far as I can tell, they're not ready yet.
We might need to follow up then. To my mind, that's a mistaken judgment.
I see your point. As far as I'm concerned, deadlines should be respected.
Totally agree. The way I see things, we need a different strategy.
That's worth discussing. The way I see it, we've got two options.
Go on. As I see it, this isn't really working.
You're probably right. It seems to me that the results were better than expected.
Interesting, let's take a closer look. I believe this solution will work.
Let's test it and see. I would say it's a bit risky.
Fair point. Personally speaking, I prefer remote work.
That's becoming more common. To me, this color looks better.
Let's go with your choice then. From my point of view, it wasn't fair.
I respect that. It is my view that the data supports this conclusion.
That's a valid interpretation. It is my belief that education must remain free.
Absolutely. I reckon they'll be late again.
Wouldn't be surprised. I honestly believe she deserves the promotion.
Me too. Honestly speaking, I don't see this working out.
Let's rethink the plan. No more repeating "I think" over and over.
Now you've got 20 better ways to share your opinion.
naturally, and clearly.
Which one will you try first?
Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep boosting your English.